To set up Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 17 Pro Max, just go into the settings for the first and go for focus mode. Now click here on the Do Not Disturb mode, and first of all you can change who can interrupt you during that Do Not Disturb mode. So you can select someone, you can add someone from your contacts, or if you want to, for example, allow some applications, you can also do this. You can pick specific application, like for example the FaceTime, and here you can find this short information about this one. So this is based about the notifications. Now by going here, we can show silence notifications on the lock screen, and by going back, we can also customize the screens during the Do Not Disturb mode. And here the most important thing, all of those schedules that we can set. So as default, we can find recommendation from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Of course, we can turn it on if we want, but of course we can also customize it. So if I want to get this specific schedule only during the weekend, so Sunday and Saturday, I can mark it, and I'm also able to change its time, turn on and turn off time. And of course, we are able to create multiple presets. We can even set the schedule for a specific location, so you can input your home address or your work address, and when you arrive, then the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically, which is actually really useful. And for example, when you are opening the specific application, so for example, when you are using Books application, the Do Not Disturb mode will also turn on. Below you can also find some other options like Smart Activity. As you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode in the iPhone 17 Pro Max is pretty advanced. You can find here a lot of options, and that's pretty much it. By clicking here, you can also quickly turn on and turn off the Do Not Disturb mode by clicking on this button in the control center. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.